Hey, hey, One Shot Johnny here. Sounds like little Oscar's gonna go on a little treasure hunt. I can get this can off of here. Hold on, gonna have to put this down. So I put the little can off. All right. So he wants an X somewhere so he can dig. The ground out here is really hard. I doubt he's gonna be able to dig anything. Let's do it right here. X marks the spot. X marks the spot. I'll put the old cap on. What I really got the camera out for, go find it. You'll find it if you walk in there and to the right. There he goes with the old shovel. Teach him young. We're just working on our trail across the street. That'll be kind of cool when we finish that. But what I really want to show you guys was J1. I want to introduce you to J1. That's Janky Ramp 1. That's the first in a series of whatchamacallits to do sweet no tricks off of. So there it is. Yep, that's J1. It's a little dark in here, but we're gonna pull it out and I'm gonna give you a little showdown. Showy something, showy way. That's what we're gonna do. All right, so I've pulled old J1 out. She's a real special one. It's my first ramp build, I guess. Maybe the first one in about 30 something years or something. So there it is. She's made of solid wood construction, you know, well, except the top layer is not, and it's all scrap wood that I found around the neighborhood, and some leftover hardwood floors is what the deck is made out of. So we kind of put it all together. It ain't the best construction, but that's how I do it, because I jank it up with Johnny. That's how I roll. So this is my first one. I'm gonna build a bunch of stuff, I think, because it just seems fun and something to do and something to get the kids involved in, hopefully too, and we'll rock and roll. We're gonna set this bad boy up and we're gonna see how she works. I think the paint probably helps it. All right, so set the ramp up. I'm gonna take the old bike there. That's a bicycle. It's got 2 wheels, some handlebars and stuff. And we're gonna go test out J1 out over the curb on a little down rampy ramp for the old sidewalk. Seems like something to do. So let's try this out. All right, that seems like a good little spot right there. All right. Hello, Slinky. It's getting dark out here. We only got a couple more runs here.
This is what I'm saying.
Whew, all right, I think that's successful. J1 delivers. First little mini jump ramp. Get a little speed, clear some caps. You can take this ramp all over town, you know. That's pretty cool. Super quick build with some scrap wood and stuff like that. If you want to know how to build it or get the schematics for it or the blueprints, what have you, leave me a comment and I'll send you a picture of a construction site and a couple saws. All right, thanks.